and this is Dilara Academy. Today I'm going to introduce you guys to Dilara Academy, and I'm going to describe who I am, what we do, what we're going to be doing together in the upcoming months right here at Dilara Academy. So let's get started. First, what is Dilara Academy? Dilara Academy is an English learning platform, specifically American English learning platform that is targeted towards individuals that say, I understand, but I can't speak. I know, but I want to learn more. I'm fluent, I want to practice. So if you're one of these people that say these things, Dilara Academy is the right place for you. So today we're just going to discuss what you're going to see in the upcoming months and the type of content that we're going to be providing for you guys. Because we're a new platform, we're open to suggestions. So anything that you guys think is missing online in terms of English learning, feel free to mention those to us. Right there on the website, there's a form you can fill out. And please submit any kind of recommendation you might have in order to make Dilara Academy a better place for everyone. From basic English to advanced grammar skills, you're going to be able to find any kind of material regarding English learning right here with us at Dilara Academy. So you might ask, how did you get into English teaching? When I returned to Turkey, I was working with young children and babies as an English language play sister. So I was going to their homes and teaching them English, playing games with them in English to help them get exposure to the language. And that's how I got started with teaching the English language. 6 months ago, I realized a lot of people are missing the speaking portion of the English language in Turkey. And I decided that, it might be better for everyone for me to start posting videos on social media. And we became viral, we became a very big family with over 70,000 followers on social media. And a lot of people needed help in terms of improving their English skills. And, I started doing this for all of you, and that's why I'm here. So what's the purpose of Dilara Academy? Why should you be following Dilara Academy? Why should you be watching us? The goal of Dilara Academy is to provide everyone the chance to improve their English skills. By knowing how to use the language, by knowing what to do with the English language in terms of jobs, in terms of education, I'm trying to help you guys get in a better state of your lives with better improved English skills. The English language, just by knowing, just by understanding, and just by speaking fluently can open many doors, both in Turkey and also abroad for you guys. Start today. Invest in yourself. Invest your time in Dilara Academy because this platform is going to be the right place for you. That's all for today. Don't forget, we're in this together. We're going to do this together. So don't feel alone and sign up to learn English with us. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.